These homemade soft buttermint candies are perfect. They melt in your mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Start with 3 cups of powdered sugar in a mixing bowl. Add 8 tablespoons of softened butter and mix that together a little bit. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk. This will help make the mixing easier. Now it's time for the peppermint extract. I actually added 3/4 of a teaspoon total. I did a taste test as I went along. You can add more peppermint or you can add less, depending on your preference of peppermint flavoring. Now take about 1/4 of your batter and put it in a new mixing bowl and add your red food coloring. That looks red enough for the project. Now sprinkle powdered sugar on your rolling surface so that your dough doesn't stick. Roll your dough into a thin rope. Now do the same thing with the red batter. Add the two together, give that a little twist, and cut it off into small pieces. Let your candy dry for an hour or two and enjoy.